Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in to Simply Pennies. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm Kat and I'm ready to take you for a walk around the penny. We'll start out our winners with Watch It Technology, symbol WTCT. The stock soared 100% on nearly 81 million shares. The company is behind a fuel reformer, a device mounted between the gas tank and the fuel rails. The product's EPA-certified lab test results are scheduled for release on Wednesday. China Crescent Enterprises, symbol CCTR, was certainly a volume winner today. It rose over 5% on a volume of just over 603 million. The company is a systems integration service provider, part of New Market Technology's Greenfield companies. It plans to host a conference on leveraging opportunities this March in Shanghai. This company has been in the news quite a bit recently, along with other Greenfield companies. Another big winner today was Sun Valley Solar, symbol SSOL, with a jump of roughly 74% on just over 86 million shares. A press release today announced another solar contract in California for over $1.3 million. Their solar system is expected to generate 506 kilowatt hours of electricity annually. We'll kick off our losers with IDO Security, symbol IDOI. The stock dropped over 14% on a volume of over 321 million. Nothing new to report on this company since the beginning of this month, and it looks like their stock could use some extra attention. Moving on to GOIG Global, symbol GOIG. They were also in the dumps after falling a little over 38% on nearly 275 million shares. They are the company that invented the Go 800 product, which allows customers to text companies instead of calling an 800 number. The consumers responded positively to the program, but the stock isn't responding accordingly. Our last loser is NWTT Capital, symbol NWTT. They got the big L for sliding down over 28% on a volume of over 185 million. The company released a report today of its progress on its gold mine in Ontario. They expect to post additional reports in the upcoming days. We saw a lot of green concepts, symbol LKEN, in the chat rooms today. A press release this morning announced that it formed a wholly owned subsidiary called Inkway. This positions the company for consumer direct marketing with more than 750 products, including their free Ink for Life program. But today really seemed like a sell the news event. The stock opened at a tiny bit over a penny and had a high of 0.0125 and a low of 0.005. It fell just over 41% on roughly 282 million shares before closing the day at 0.0057. Another popular stock was GreenShift Corporation, symbol GERS. After opening at 0.0002, it had a 100% move on over 824 million shares before ultimately closing at its opening price. A press release today announced that they received a notice of allowance for their corn oil refining process. A new corn oil extraction system could produce an additional profit of about $9 million per year at current market prices. Sometimes it definitely pays to be green. Our quote of the day comes courtesy of I. Steiger, who said, "Looks like the price of mud is going up." Really? I heard Muck and Meyer was on the rise too. It's time for our daily dose of BS, starting with MetaSafe One Technology, symbol MFTH, which got 8 newsletter pumps today. The company develops technologies that prevent unauthorized administration of prescription medications. A press release this morning announced that the company expects revenues in 2012 to exceed $10 million, but that's a long ways away, and all the hopeful news and pumps couldn't save the stock today. After opening at just over 32 cents, it fell 18% on 698,000 shares and closed the day at 25 cents. But hey, come back in 2012 and maybe the stock will do better after the world ends. We'll keep an eye on this and see if this is the start of a pump. Let's talk about Vaughn Foods, symbol FOODW, which launched an amazing 900% on a volume of only 1,000. The company is classified under miscellaneous food preparations and kindred products. They released their third quarter operations results in November, but they've been pretty silent performance since then. So why the sudden rally on such low volume? I'll tell you why, because these are all the ingredients to cook up a true BS winner. Respect the hardware. That's it for me today, but be sure to come back tomorrow for more news in a way only Simply Pennies can provide. You can also friend us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Thanks again for watching. I'm Kat. Bye. It plans to host a conference on leveraging opportunities this March in Shanghai. I started slurring, and I'm not even drunk.